You searched for how to buy shares of Electronic Arts Inc. Electronic Arts is a global video game developer and publisher listed on NASDAQ under the ticker EA, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search to find the company by name or ticker. Enter EA in the search bar. Select the listing that shows Electronic Arts Inc. on NASDAQ to locate the correct stock. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the listing clearly says Electronic Arts Inc. with ticker EA before proceeding. Choose the Invest action, enter the amount you want to spend, then carefully review and confirm the order before submitting. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as a market or limit order, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will ask you to add them before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in the portfolio or holdings section of the broker. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to review the platform used in this example.